Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about e-commerce websites. So why you should be having and selling products on an e-commerce website. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So what is an e-commerce website and how easy are they to build? Well, an e-commerce website is essentially a website that allows you to list multiple products on your store and enable people to sort of add to cart and do the checkout experience and apply coupons and have multiple shipping options available for them, because some people want their product shipped immediately on expedited shipping and some people want their products pay a little bit less of a price and have their products shipped via the the usual postal service. So that's what an e-commerce website is. Now these days it's much easier now thanks to WordPress to actually have an e-commerce website. So you can be selling on eBay, Amazon, on your own e-commerce website, on Gumtree, Trade Me, on Craigslist if you want to go there. There's a lot of ways to sell your products, but having your own e-commerce website is a fantastic way to increase your sales. And let me give you an example. We had a client many years ago that would sell on eBay. Now he would list a TV for sale for roughly about $100. Now this TV was valued, recommended retail price, RRP, for about $500. So why would he be selling it so low? Well, he would get a lot of coverage, a lot of interest from this. So on this one TV, he might have about 400 people bidding on this TV. Now, when it was bidded, when it was in the bidding and the auction on eBay, let me ask you a question. How many people win an eBay auction? How many people actually win it? The answer is just one. So you would have 400 people bid on this, but only one person would win it. So they would get it for $100, but those other 399 people would miss out, and they would have something we call buyer's remorse. What they would do immediately, he found that about 10% of them would immediately go to his web store. So about 40 of them would go to his web store and buy the TV at the $500 recommended retail price, the full price. So he would actually use eBay as a way of leveraging his brand, creating more awareness for his brand, and when they miss out in the auction, they'll go immediately to his website and buy it at full price. So this is why I recommend, even though eBay sort of changed their terms, it's increased its price, its listing fees, definitely have a store and an awareness, a brand awareness for your products on eBay. Even if you break even, he was breaking even on his $100, right? I think his sourced products about $80. With the listing fees, he wouldn't make any money, but he would make money on the back end when people would go to his e-commerce web store. So that's why it's important, guys, to have an e-commerce web store. It also enables you to do sales. So come Christmas and Easter, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, depending on which country you are, Australia Day, all that sort of stuff. Depending on what days, Queen's birthday for the UK people. You can do sales and you can do coupons, and there's some really cool things you can do when you have your own web store. You can drive people directly to a page and apply a coupon, and you'll get some good sales from that. So that's some good advantages of having your own e-commerce web store. Guys, if you're looking to get an e-commerce web store, and more importantly, you're looking to get started and you want to get some coaching on how to start your own import-export business or Amazon business, give us a call, 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen. I help Americans, UK people, and Australian New Zealanders get started with their businesses. So if you're looking for hot product ideas, give me a call, connect with me today, and I'll help you build that e-commerce website as well. Have an awesome day, guys. Talk to you real soon. Happy importing.